In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Brevo email send. First, open your browser and head to the Brevo login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign in with Google, then select your Google account to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, go to the marketing section so you can access your email tools, and then open campaigns to see your campaign list. Next, start a new campaign by selecting Create Campaign. Choose email as the campaign type, then give your campaign a clear, recognizable name so you and your team can identify it later. Confirm by clicking Create Campaign to move into Setup. Now add your audience, click Add Recipients, and select the contact list or lists you want to receive this email. It's best to choose a list that's clean and well segmented so your message goes to the right people, which helps engagement and deliverability. Add your subject next. Click Add Subject and write a concise, benefit-focused line that tells recipients exactly what's inside. Keep it short, avoid spammy words, and make sure it matches the content of your email. If preview text is available in your account, keep it supportive of the subject for extra clarity. Let's design the message. Click Start Design to open the editor. You can work from a template or arrange your own layout. Keep your hierarchy simple with a strong header, clear body copy, and a single primary call to action. Use images that are optimized for web, add descriptive alt text, and stick with easy-to-read fonts. Always consider mobile readers. Use larger buttons, short paragraphs, and enough spacing so everything is tappable and scannable. Use the preview options to check how your email looks on desktop and mobile before moving on. When you're happy with the layout and content, click Save and Quit to return to the campaign overview. Now configure the essentials. Click Edit Settings to review your from name and reply to address, enable tracking if needed, and apply UTM parameters so you can measure results in your analytics tool. Make sure your footer includes your company details and an unsubscribe link to remain compliant. Finally, schedule the send. Click Schedule to choose whether to send it now or at a later time. If you schedule, pick a date and time that makes sense for your audience and their time zone. When everything looks good, confirm your schedule and you're done. Oh, and that's the full process. Log in, go to Marketing and Campaigns, create your email, add recipients and a strong subject, design it, save, adjust settings.